Laundry, one of the most tedious tasks that we go about almost every day, and let's admit it, we all dread it. So, it is essential to get the right washing machine to help you get through it. Keep watching as we tell you about the different washing machines you can buy, how to choose the right one, and the best options under Rs 30,000. Let's start with the basics. There are two types of washing machines, semi-automatic and fully automatic. Semi-automatic washing machines are top-loading and require you to transfer the clothes to the drying tub once your clothes have been washed and rinsed. Fully automatic washing machine usually gets a single tub. At the tap of a button, it can fill water, wash, rinse and dry your clothes all in the same tub. Fully automatic machines are of two main types, front load and top load. Now, how do you choose the right one for you? Let's understand that for a bit. The first factor to consider is the capacity of the washing machine. For families of 2, a washing machine with a capacity between 5 and 6.5 kg should suffice. For families of 3 to 5 people, 7 to 9 kg is ideal. And for families of over 5, we recommend 10 to 12 kg. The second factor to consider is water pressure. Front-load washing machines require high water pressure to function effectively. They rinse clothes by repeatedly spraying high-pressure water on them rather than soaking them in a tub of water like in top-load machines. So, using them with low water pressure can lead to extreme wear and tear and also cause slower wash cycles. Comparatively, top-load machines work well even in lower water pressure. Lastly, consider the space available at your home. Top-load machines are more suited for smaller homes as they are easier to load. Front-load machines door open outwards and require more space. Here are 3 advantages of top-load washing machine. Number 1, it saves space in your homes and it is comparatively cheaper. Number 2, they allow you to add clothes in the middle of a wash cycle. And number 3, they have short wash cycles that saves time. If you're in the market for a new top-load washing machine, check out these options. Number 1, IFB 7 kg 5-star. This fully automatic machine has 8 wash programs including Aqua Conserve and Express Wash. With a 5-star energy rating, it's efficient and budget-friendly at Rs 19,790. Number 2. Samsung 8 kg 5-star. Priced at around Rs 20,000, this machine is not only energy efficient but also smart. It has a self-diagnosis feature to alert you to potential issues and an Eco Tub Clean program to keep the drum dirt-free. Number 3. LG 7 kg 5-star. At around Rs 20,000, this machine features inverter technology to adjust motor speed based on load, extending its lifespan. It also has inbuilt jet sprays to remove stains and dirt without manual intervention. Front-load washing machines, although slightly more expensive, come with their own set of advantages as well. First, they consume less water, energy and detergent compared to top-load washing machines. Second, they are better at drying clothes due to their high spin speeds. And third, they help remove stains from the clothes better than top-load washing machines. If you're in the market for a new front-load washing machine, check out these options. Number 1. Croma 7 kg. Priced at around Rs 24,000, this fully automatic machine has a 5-star energy rating. It features a built-in heater for tough stains and a 1400 RPM spin speed for quick drying. Number 2. TCL 6.5 kg. At around Rs 23,000, this machine has digital scales and a brushless digital inverter motor for efficient water and cycle management. It also includes a steam wash program to eliminate bacteria. And number 3, Voltas Beko 6 kg. Priced at around Rs 22,000, this machine offers 15 wash programs for various fabrics and operates quietly, allowing you to do other chores in peace. If you are on a budget, you can also consider semi-automatic washing machines. They're ideal for areas where there are frequent water cuts, and you can also pause the wash cycles if you have frequent power cuts. The only downfall though is that you have to manually transfer clothes from one tub to another to dry them. Check out these 3 semi-automatic washing machines that you could consider buying today. First, LG 8 kg. Priced at around Rs 15,000, it offers 3 wash modes: gentle, normal, strong, and wind jet dry technology with a 1400 RPM spin speed for quick drying. Second, Samsung 6.6 kg. At Rs 9690, this machine features a 5-star energy rating, a magic filter for lint, air turbo drying, and a smooth caster wheels for easy mobility. Third, Whirlpool 8.5 kg. Ideal for large families, it includes various wash programs for different fabrics, a 5-star energy rating, and is priced at Rs 17,490. And that's it. With these washing machines, you can do clean, efficient and easy laundry all year round without breaking your bank. Which washing machine did you like the best? Let us know in the comments below and subscribe to Unboxed by Croma for more buying guides and tech tips.